Welcome to Tesla Tech Central. In today's video, we'll be sharing the news that Elon Musk has just revealed that he has launched the Tesla phone, which will be coming out in December of 2022. In this video, we'll be explaining why it'll crush the competition. This is a channel where we share the latest news, rumors, and insights into all things Tesla, SpaceX, Elon Musk related, and whatever else we think is interesting. You'll be able to find news surrounding all of the Tesla 2022 vehicles, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, Roadster, Cybertruck, and Semi. I would really appreciate it if you could please like and subscribe. Also, I just wanted to announce the giveaway winner, who is Jay Wayne. So congrats to you, Jay Wayne, on winning the giveaway. I've sent you a message on YouTube to confirm your winnings. However, I will be doing another giveaway, but this time it'll be a $100 Amazon gift card, which will be given to a random subscriber. So to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed and that $100 Amazon gift card could be yours. Now, let's carry on with the video. Elon Musk's Tesla has been making waves in multiple segments recently, from the idea of space travel to automobiles. Musk's companies have dipped their hands into quite a few areas. However, people are now clamoring to know everything about the Tesla Pi phone, which is rumored to be Tesla's take on the modern smartphone. Of course, with Musk behind the operations, you'd expect this upcoming Tesla phone to tackle the likes of Samsung flagships and Apple's iPhones. With the phone supposedly hitting shelves soon, people's curiosity has peaked through the roof. So in this blog, we're going to take a look at everything we know so far about the Tesla Pi phone. Some reports indicate that Tesla could be using a processor they've developed in-house. Other reports state that Tesla could be using a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Either way, most resources believe that the phone will utilize an octa-core processor. Tesla is known for their radical features that it often provides with its new products. For example, some Tesla cars come with a defense mode which protects users against bioweapon attacks. In the case of the Tesla Cybertruck, there's an almost indestructible exoskeleton as well. Understandably, some wild rumors surround the Tesla Pi phone's features. Here, you'll find the features of the Tesla phone. Musk is the CEO of SpaceX, which has introduced and incorporated its satellite-based internet service, Starlink. Some rumors indicate that Tesla might incorporate Starlink services into the new phone. However, the primary issue with this is the huge antennae that such a service requires. It would be pretty difficult for Tesla to fit this into a phone. At the most, they could ensure that Starlink works with the phone in areas where Starlink is already established. They could even fit the antennae into their cars, which could then be paired and used with the Pi phone. Nonetheless, this idea seems quite far off at this point. Tesla has already launched an app for iPhones and Android smartphones that allow them to control their Tesla automobiles. The app helps them lock or unlock their car, start or stop the engine, and even call the vehicle to their location. The app could be incorporated entirely into the phone's software to allow use via external buttons as well. This is a much more believable feature, and we see it happening if the Tesla phone is released. Tesla could even incorporate some extra features with the app or software for owners of Tesla automobiles. Musk has been vocal about cryptocurrency in the past, and is an avid investor of Dogecoin. A few reports state that the Tesla phone could come with hardware that would be able to mine cryptocurrency. However, we believe this to be a stretch, as mining cryptocurrency requires some serious firepower. Computers used for mining cryptocurrency are extremely powerful and have specifications utterly different from the ones we use today. Neuralink is another company that is owned by Musk. The company aims to create a seamless interface between computers and the human brain, allowing them to control computers just by thinking about a particular action. A Neuralink app is already in development, enabling us to use our phones, mouse, and keyboard directly through our brains. So the Neuralink app could be added to the Tesla phone differently, with deeper integration and emphasis. However, the app is still in development. We don't foresee Neuralink integration on our phones at least until the second half of 2023 at the earliest. Tesla has been known to manufacture solar panels as well, so it wouldn't be too far-fetched to think the company could incorporate some sort of solar charging aspect into the upcoming phone. However, we don't see this happening with the phone's body itself. Tesla could release branded cases which use solar energy to power the phone. This would also require the Tesla Pi phone to integrate solar charging hardware. Nonetheless, this does seem like a possibility, especially when it comes to a company of Tesla's caliber and their innovative nature. Multiple new smartphones on the market are trying to better their cameras to allow some form of functionality that comes close to DSLRs. With that being said, Musk already has an inclination towards space photography, primarily through SpaceX. Therefore, it's entirely likely that the Tesla phone could have a set of cameras that are highly capable of astrophotography. If this happens, expect the price of the phone to shoot up considerably when compared to its competitors. Tesla hasn't specified the price of its upcoming Pi phone yet. However, even if it contains only a few of the features mentioned above, expect the cost of the phone to be between $800 to $1,200. The probability of the Tesla phone being released in this form is doubtful. In addition, one can only surmise how much a smartphone with such functionality will cost in the end due to what has happened with the Tesla Cybertruck. However, our idea is that the device will cost a lot of money, like storage from 512 gigabytes all the way up to 2 terabytes, 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM, an AMOLED display, and a screen around 6.5 inches to 6.7 inches. The Tesla Pi phone will come with a height, width, and thickness of 156.8 by 72.1 by 7.6 centimeters respectively. The Tesla Pi phone will come with a height, width, and thickness of 156.8 by 72.1 by 7.6 millimeters respectively. It has a weight of 202 grams. The pixel density of the Pi phone is... For protection, the Pi phone comes with scratch-resistant glass and oleophobic coating. The pixel density of the Pi phone is 458 ppi and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. For protection, the Pi phone comes with scratch-resistant glass and oleophobic coating. Here are our final thoughts. The Tesla Pi phone could be a game changer in the smartphone market. Moreover, considering the kinds of features that Tesla usually goes for in its products, the Tesla Pi phone could be one of the most feature-laden phones in recent memory. We've covered everything about the Tesla Pi phone right here, such as possible pricing and features. Thanks so much for watching till the end of the video. Please comment and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. We'd really appreciate it if you do this, as it really helps support the channel. On this channel, we share the latest news, rumors, and insights into all things Tesla, SpaceX, Elon Musk related, and whatever else we think is interesting. You'll be able to find news surrounding all of the Tesla 2022 vehicles, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, Roadster, Cybertruck, and Semi, if you are subscribed with notifications on. Until next time, we'll see you later.